Hi, this is a very short video on how to use the online sound recording tool called Vocaroo. It's an easy to use tool and we are going to use it to make a sound recording and upload it to our Fronter room. Because right now we have quite a few problems with different kind of tools inside of Fronter. Most of those that use a technique called Java. I will show you the problem right now. We're in this hand-in folder, and the idea is here to upload or record a sound recording, maybe of you um, saying something in another language if you have a language course. So the usual way to do this is to press the create button and then press sound recording, and you will see the problem right away. I will just write in a short title, sound recording, and then press save. You will see that in this small window where the sound module is supposed to be uploaded, there is an error right there. So you can't really use this tool right now. So I need to go back and also press cancel right here, and instead use this online tool called Vocaroo, and I have already gone to this page. You can see it right here, vocaroo.com. It's a very simple tool. The only thing that you can really do here is to click this button, click here to make this a sound recording. So I'm just going to lower my volume a little bit because I know that it's too loud if I have it on full volume. So just click to record. You will see this small window asking you to allow your microphone to be used on this web page. So click allow, and it will start recording right away. So I will do my recording, and when I'm finished, I just click stop. I can listen to my recording, and it will start recording right away. You can hear my recording and when I'm finished, so you can listen to your recording. If you're not satisfied with it, you can just do another recording. Just click retry. And when you're done, when you're satisfied, you can press here, click here to save. There is this option to share your recording to other social media platforms, but we are not going to do that. We are going to save your recording to the computer. You have the option to save as MP3, and that is a very common sound format that we're going to use. So click that one. The sound will be downloaded to your computer. It depends on what kind of web browser you're using. I'm on Google Chrome right now, and it is saved on directly to the downloaded files folder. But I will try to I will move that recording to my desktop actually. So within Fronter, in the hand-in folder where you're supposed to do the sound recording hand-in, I am right now not going to do the create recording, but I'm going to upload a file, of course. So upload file, browse to the actual file. I'm on the desktop right now, and there I have my Vocaroo recording in MP3 format, so that's all fine. We'll press open. You can change this title to whatever you like. Assignment 1. I will call that Peter Norberg. Like that. So press save, and I have actually uploaded the sound. The teacher will have no problem listening to your recording. So that's an easy way to do a sound recording actually, without using the faulty tool within Fronter. So thank you very much. Good luck.